Hi besties, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing fine. In case you're new here, my name is Carol, a Ugandan girl working and living in UAE. So today's video, I'm going to be decluttering kids' clothes. My boss told me to check the clothes that no longer fits them. For the kandura, I've already finished. They have taken them for donation. So right now I'm going to check the clothes, the ones that does not fit them. So we have two small boys. I need to check for them. They cannot check for, but for the other girls, they check for themselves, like the clothes they no longer want. So right now that's what I'm going to be doing, and check which one no longer fits them, and I've brought a bag here and put everything in the bag. Then later I'll give it to my boss to take it. I don't know where he takes them, but I'll give it to him to take it for donation. Yeah, thank you so much you guys for being here. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the post notification. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. So let's start. Besties, right now I'm folding all the clothes, and then I remove the ones that they don't want and I leave the ones that they want. So I'm going to sort them out. Like I will put the t-shirts alone, the one with collar alone, and the shorts alone, the long pants alone, as you are going to see in the video. How often do you do decluttering? For us in this house, we do like twice a year or once a year, it depends, but they are always checking their clothes, because what I have seen in this house, they don't actually wear clothes, they don't wear their clothes. Sometimes they buy things, they don't wear them, and they end up giving them away. So also sometimes our boss, she likes to give us stuff, like the things that she doesn't wear. She just say you can choose which one fits you, you take it, or which one fits the other, you can take it. So yeah, but how long, like how often do you declutter? Please comment down below and share with us. So right now I'm just packing the things that I removed for donating. I'm putting them in this bag. I'm just going to close it and I give it to my boss. So after this, I'm going to organize all the clothes that I've selected that are going to stay and put them back in the closet. as you are going to see in the video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, turn on the post notification. You will be notified when I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate, and I don't take you for granted. You have a place in my heart. I see you guys commenting, and make sure, please, if you watch, you like, you comment, so that my YouTube can recommend my videos to more people. So I'm also going to organize the clothes according to the way I folded them. So the t-shirts are known, the one with corner are known, and the shorts are known, the long pants are known, as you are going to see. Like, the place is going to be organized. If you saw when I started, this closet was disorganized because kids, whenever they come to pick something to dress, they just pick anyhow. You know, kids, they don't care, they just remove anyhow. So you have seen, so right now it is going to be organized, very neat. I still have a lot to do, but I just wanted to film this because it is going to be the same thing that I'm going to do to the other boy, because this closet is for the youngest boy. So I'll be doing the other closet without filming. I just filmed this all English to show you. Bye guys.